Hi guys, we are here. This is CH-FLYZONE. We are back with a third video. Today we are going to be doing an airdrop with the Mavic Mini. We're going to be dropping 1 second as we load our camera up. We're going to be dropping the Kingbirds Red Snappers. So basically they look like this. And they like the snappers. You drop them and they pop. But these are extremely loud. They're basically fuseless firecrackers without the fuse that you light on top. So let's test this out. Alright, we got a camera up. And let's rotate our camera a little bit. First of all, let's fix the gimbal because it's moving kind of slow. So let's go to our gimbal if we can find it. Let's see, control, gimbal, advanced gimbal, pitch speed. Let's see how fast that is. That's fast. Yeah, that's fast. Alright, let's use that. Alright, so here we go. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom out. Let's get our engine started.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, let's get her up in the air. We got her up there. Yes, we do. Let's get our launch pad ready and ready to launch. Nice, beautiful. Alright, let's see. Basically, we're going to launch her right here. Let's do our airdrop. Guys, you heard that? That was them snappers. That's loud. So let's come back and do another one. That was loud. So that's how we're gonna that's basically how we drop them. We're gonna bring her in. She's coming down, boy. She's coming down. We got 2 more snappers that we're gonna do, and then we're gonna go in. Alright, let's bring her in, coast her in. Perfect landing. Basically, we're gonna land her right over here.
Landing.
So basically I lost 2. I found them.